You may be surprised, and you should be delighted. There's a new way to bring nearly any type of old battery back to life. Car batteries are expensive, so anything that saves you money and does a great job has to be good. This method of renewing your car battery's power also works with nearly every type of battery out there, and it's simple and quick. Listen to this.
People all over the world are using a dead simple trick to bring nearly any type of dead battery back to life again. People like Jen Simmons, who brought a dead car battery, a dead cell phone battery, a dead drill battery, a dead camera battery, and many other types of dead batteries back to life again, just like new. And people like Kevin Day, who brought his dead drill battery, several dead double and AAA batteries, and his dead camera battery back to life again. It's easy to bring dead batteries back to life again with this new simple trick. And if you click the link below, you can learn how to do this too. So go ahead, click the link below now.
In case you're wondering, you'll be able to bring car, phone, and laptop batteries back to life with this. There is no better time to get this, so find out more and watch the video. Trimwheels.com/battery